So in the government's 13-page memo explaining why the DOJ made the redactions, they say parts must remain sealed to protect the safety and privacy of a significant number of civilian witnesses in addition to law enforcement. So that tells you there's more than one informant potentially within Trump's inner circle, right?
It sounds like there are a lot of informants, Alex, and it's fascinating that DOJ put this sentence front and center in this motion that accompanied the unsealing of the affidavit. DOJ can't go out in public and hold press conferences and tell us what the information in the affidavit means, but they can speak through their pleadings, and I think this speaks very loudly. There had been a lot of speculation about who the informant was, or maybe there were a couple of informants. But DOJ is saying that there are a significant number of them, not one, not a couple, not a few. This sounds like there are a large number of people in Mar-a-Lago cooperating with DOJ, and perhaps people who all along, without any form of proper security clearance, would have had access to this information as well.
Well, you've said before that DOJ generally is prone to understatement. So on the heels of that, was there any overreach by the DOJ in the reasonings for the redactions?
No, this is pretty clean. If anything, DOJ has gone much further in releasing this material than I've ever seen them do. I had a defense lawyer text me yesterday, and she said, every time I've asked to see the search warrant affidavit for one of my clients, DOJ has laughed me out of the room. She said, I'm glad I will go to my grave having read at least one affidavit, even though it's someone else's. And I think that's pretty accurate. These affidavits are never released. This is such an exceptional case, but DOJ, I think, did a very respectful job of reviewing the law and balancing the interests, because the law is very clear that the public has an interest in knowing this information. It's tough to imagine a case where the public would have a greater interest DOJ would need to respect.